Hey guys, Eric's back with another prank video, so let's get right into it.
Hi. Do you sell any chickens?
Yes. Chicken, yeah.
Like live?
Yes. Live chicken.
Yeah.
So we have a live chicken. No.
No? Oh,
Live
okay.
Chicken.
But not like raw or like a
No,
real
no.
chicken? No?
No raw chicken, no.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Never
I go
mind.
to supermarket for that.
Yeah, okay.
You don't sell anything like uncooked raw, right? Like raw meat or something? No? Oh, okay. Thank you.
Excuse me?
Yes,
Do you sell any live lobster?
if we have lobster, let me check. Maybe we have
Like alive?
alive. I don't think so.
No?
No, why? For
Oh,
this?
Yeah, I wanted to take one home.
Well, let me check. Lobster alive.
Yeah. She's asking them.
We don't have.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Do you have any like raw meat to like take home and cook or something? Oh, okay. Oh, do you have like any raw meat?
Sorry?
Like raw meat?
Raw meat?
Raw, yeah.
Yes, we have the carpaccio di manzo.
Oh, okay.
If you want also, because it's no, Bresaola is not raw meat, it's carpaccio di manzo, yes.
Okay.
Excuse me? Do you have any octopus?
Octopus? Yes, we have.
Like alive? Do you have any alive?
No.
No? You don't sell them inside?
Yes, how many are you?
No, like we want an octopus that's alive,
Octopus? Yes.
but alive.
Alive? No, no.
Oh, you don't have?
No.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Excuse me? Do you sell any like live animals like in the back or something? Like
Where?
like in the back of a store, like storage or something? Like raw?
No, we have like squirrels,
Oh, okay.
but he just came and go.
Oh, okay.
So we don't
Okay.
have, like,
Thank you.